I'm back. For like the millionth time, I just disappear and return and disappear and return. So, I gotta clip my hair back. Okay, so here's the deal. The time I have to film videos is very few and far between. And the time I do have to film videos is very limited to things that are not filming videos. Like, I have other stuff to do. So I just haven't had time to do videos. So that really sucks because I really want to film videos. Like, I love making videos. I love doing YouTube. Can't talk and do this at the same time. Hold on. Ugh, I hate this stuff. I hate this stuff. So what I think I'm gonna try, keyword here being try, to do is do one video a week instead of two, because I think that's more manageable for me right now. So do one video a week, and then I'm also working on, like, I have an idea in my head. So I'm going to start working on that for something, but I don't want to tell you what that is in case it doesn't work out. I don't want you to be excited and then I end up not doing it. So yeah, that's the plan. We'll see what happens. Okay, so the look I'm going for today is like nude soft glam. Sure. I got these. Where are they? This is what I'm saying. We still stand Jeffree Star here, okay? I'm sorry. I'm not. So I got those, so I want to play with them. So, like, the look I have in my head is, like, soft nude glam, like, kind of made up, but not too made up. We'll see what happens. Okay, that's that. My lips are on fire. Look at how red they are. Something's happening. Okay, so the foundation was the Clinique Even Better foundation. I have that in the shade Ivory. And then this is the Tarte Maracujá Creaseless Concealer. I have this in light, medium, neutral. Everything is always in the description box. If I forget, like, to mention something, everything's always in the description. Even if I don't, like, show it on camera, like me putting it on, I'll put it in the description box still. Okay, this is the Mercier Secret Brightening Powder. I don't know if I like this. I've used it a few times. Like, the first time I used it, I was like, wow. And then every other time after that I've used it, I'm kind of like, alright. Like, it just looks, it doesn't look good. It doesn't look as if, like, it doesn't look, I don't know, just doesn't look good. I don't know. I want to try the Pat McGrath under eye powder. Hers is a pressed one too. I think I would like it better if it was pressed, but I don't know, man. Okay, before I set my face, I'm going to try this. I got one of the Fenty cream bronzers. I got this in the shade Amber, which is not a bronzer color. It's definitely a contour color. It's like the really cool shade. And I wanted to try this because the amber color in the matchsticks is way too cool. That's like gray, like straight up gray. So I wanted to try this just to see if it was a little bit, oh, I picked up a lot. Okay. Put some over here. Just to see if it was not as gray. It's definitely not as gray. Just to, like, base out that contour a little bit. Yeah, I like the color of this better. Yeah, when the matchsticks first came out from Fenty, I was like, wow, look at that amber color. It's like gray. And then because I'm so freakishly neutral, when I put it on, I was like, oh, it's gray. Like, legitimately gray, so this I like much better. Oh yeah, that's much better, much better. Okay, cool. Cool, cool, cool. I like that. Just gonna blend everything together with my sponge. Oh, I should have not powdered my under eyes already. Oh well. See, it's like really soft and natural. Like, I definitely have some more shape, but it doesn't look like I put anything there. I like it. Just using Mercier powder to powder. Or to set. Obviously I'm using powder to powder. Duh. Okay, for my brows, first I'm going to brush them. I need to do them, but I'm just so lazy. I think I say that every video. I'm going to use this from Benefit. It's the Brow Micro Filling Pen. So it's the little pen with the three, you can't see that, like nubbins. So I've used this once other time. That's not English. One other time, and I don't know, it's like okay. First of all, they should have put a spoolie on the other side. I don't know why they didn't do that. So, I don't know, it's like sometimes I can see where the, like sometimes I can see that it's drying hairs, and like some strokes I'm like, wait, did it do anything? And you have to do this like in a dry brow. Like you can't already have product in it, which if I'm just doing like fluffy brows, which is what I'm trying to do now, I would want to put my brows up first, like put brow gel in them and have them like up how I want them first, and then use this to kind of fill in where I need it. But I can't do that with this. And then I have to keep going back to this spoolie to get the hairs how I want them. I don't know. I don't know. And I don't know if it's all brow pens that like you have to have it dry, like a dry brow, or if it's just like this particular brow pen. I don't know. I don't know how I feel yet. Right now I'm not really loving it. Also, I don't like that it's a little 3-prong thing. I know for a lot of people they would like that, but for me, see, like this side I feel like it's not drying now. For me, I only need like, sometimes I only need like one hair. Like, I just need one hair sometimes. Like where I'm trying to fill in. So I can't, I mean, unless I do it like long ways to get one. I don't know. I don't know. Too many qualms with this already. See, like, I just want one hair, like, right there. Kinda. Alright. I give up. And then I'm just gonna gel it down with, this is the Warm Blonde color from Hourglass. It's just the color that I already had in, like, set up in my makeup bag, so I didn't care enough to change it to a clear or a different color or anything. Okay, well now that I set it, I can't go back in with that pencil, so I'm going to use, this is the micro, what are you called? Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil from Hourglass. Again, this is Warm Brunette. I just need a couple more hairs, like over here now. Alright, I'm not going to play with this anymore. Prime my eyes with NARS Pro Prime. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, first I sent a picture to my boyfriend, if I can get the palette out, of mini Orgy, and I asked him to pick a color, and he picked Gagging, this one, beautiful. A little more like goldy, more goldy than this one that's Champagne Drip. So we're going to use that as like the star of our show. I really wanted to use this one, but he always picks the most boring colors, but that's okay. So that's going to be like our star of the show. So I'm going to base my look with the big Orgy. That's wildly inappropriate. didn't think this through. So I'm gonna base my whole look out with this one. Oh my god, it's just so beautiful. If I was still doing freelance, nice, which you know we can't now because the world is closed. This would be like the perfect palette for a kit. So, oh my god, I just want to use everything. Okay, I'm gonna start with, I don't know, I love them all. Let me get a thought, and then I'll come back to you. Okay, I'm gonna start with, what color did I pick? I'm gonna start with this here, this one, yep, which is called Top, which I am not. And I'm gonna use this on the outer, like, third-ish kind of area, and through the crease. I'm just kind of chucking this shade in there. This is like my mid-tone shade, and then I can build and blend from there. This mirror is huge, and it's so HD. Okay. And then I'm going to take this color here, this one, which is gender fluid. That's more appropriate for me, I think. And I'm going to use that just to blend and soften this edge a little bit. And I know it's like in my eyebrow, don't worry, we'll take care of that. I kind of like it. I kind of like it kind of hazily in the front of the brow. Next, I'm going to take this here, which is Craving Chocolate. Ooh, almost dropped the palette. That would have been a disaster. And I'm going to build up this outer, kind of like the outer third, outer V a little bit. Wow, these are so pretty. They're blending really nice. What happened to my voice? These are blending so nice too. Okay, I'm going to leave that there. I'm not going to make it too dark. So then for, I didn't know what thought I was having. For the bottom, I'm going to go back to Top, which is that first color that I used. Because I don't want this to be too dark, so I don't want to use the Craving Chocolate shade. But I want something down here. And then for the brow, like to highlight and to clean it up a little bit, I'm going to take Implant, which is this, focus, this one. I'm sorry if you just heard my tummy rumble. I'm putting this more on just like the arch part and not really in the front where I blended the like crease shades. And then take that teeny tiny brush with gender fluid again, just to really blend that highlight into the crease shades. I don't want it to look like I just like stuck the highlight on and switch to Mini and pick up Gagging. Just put this, oh. In that lid space and the inner corner. That's pretty. I kind of want to wet it. Let's wet it. Ooh, oh yeah, that's what I wanted. See, it's still like soft and gentle, which I like for this look. but it's like glossy almost. Oh yeah, that's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go back to Orgy, the big one, and I'm going to go into Money Shot, this here, and use that kind of like liner, like now that I have the lid shade on. Because I don't want like black liner really on this, but I want a little bit of something just kind of smooshed into the lash line. I'm going to tight line too, but I just want a little bit of something here. So I'm going to do this, put black liner in my tight line, a nude in my waterline, put mascara on, all that, and then I'll be back. Alright, here are the eyes done. This is like exactly what I wanted, like really soft, glam. I'm really lashy. So let's finish off the face. I'm just going to put a teeny tiny bit of my contour powder. You didn't see that. Here you go. Just to make sure I didn't lose it when I powdered. So just a little bit of contour. For bronzer, I'm still using this Cover FX one. I'm gonna kind of dip back and forth between the matte and the like shimmer. And just bronze up my face really nicely. For blush, using an old favorite, Mood Exposure from Hourglass. Hello? My favorite, like, nothing blush. Like, look at that. I have some color, I'm blushy, but it's not like I have blush on. Okay, before I put highlight, I'm going to use my Hourglass ambient lighting powder. This is diffuse light to kind of buff everything over, just to smooth everything out, make sure everything's really nice and blended. And then for highlight, I'm just going to go back and use the Gagging shade that I put on my eye because it's beautiful and I kind of want it all over my face now. Oh gosh, yeah, that's a really pretty color. That's beautiful. Down the nose. And a whole lot on my cupid bow. That's so pretty. Wow. Okay, for my lip, first I'm going to line and fill in my lips with this Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. This one is 606 whatever walnut. Okay, and then on top of that I'm going to put a little bit of this. This is the Sephora Collection Lip Stories. This is in number 3. It's called Oui. Like French oui, not like oui. So I'm just going to put a little of this, on top. Okay. And then, because I want like a really, thought I had lipstick on my teeth, I want a really glossy lip for this look, I'm going to take Shane Glossin and put that on top. Not all over, just on like the center. Ooh, juicy. Spray my face. I'm using the Farsali. So here's the finished look. This is exactly what I wanted, like nude, soft glam, like really soft and pretty, like appropriate for every occasion, not that anyone's doing anything. Yeah, but I really like how this look turned out. This is exactly what I wanted. This is exactly what I wanted. I like this. So that is it. Oh, I got lipstick all over me. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being patient with me on my sporadic hiatuses. I am so sorry, and I appreciate you sticking with me. So yeah, again, gonna try and do once a week, but we'll see what happens. And yeah, that's all I got. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next week. I'll see you. Bye.